This is the assembly video for the ESELV elevation kit for compatible Symphony Sleep adjustable bases. The first thing to do is prepare a clean, flat area to assemble the elevation kit. Remove the elevation kit from the box and remove the plastic covering. The elevation kit is folded in half and has many yellow zip ties that need to be removed. Please cut all the yellow zip ties, being careful not to cut any wires or damage the frame. You will also see the motor wrapped in plastic and a bag of hardware. Please unwrap the motor and set the hardware aside. Unfold the elevation kit, making sure it's oriented so that the threaded inserts for the leg installation are facing up. There are 6 threaded inserts, and you will see them located on all corners and in the center. Locate from the hardware bag 2 metal pins and fastener clips. Insert the metal pins through the holes at the hinge points on both sides of the frame, and then install the fastener clips onto the ends of the metal pins to secure. This needs to be done on both sides of the elevation kit as shown. Now you're going to install the motor. First, you're going to remove the fastener and the connector pins from the motor mounting brackets found on the head section of the elevation kit. Be sure to remove the pins and fastener from both brackets and note how they were installed, as you will need to reinstall these in the exact same order. Place the motor in the bracket. Please note the orientation of the motor. The long post end of the motor, the aluminum color, should be inserted into the bracket connected to the round tube on the elevation frame, and the barrel end of the motor, the silver color, should be connected to the bracket connected to the rectangular tube on the elevation frame. Reinstall the grommets, washers, and connector pins back in place in the same order you removed them, and install the fastener clips to secure the motor to each bracket. The elevation kit is now fully assembled, and it's time to install it on the base. Prior to installing the elevation kit, the adjustable base should be upside down and the legs should not be installed yet. Going back to the hardware bag, find 2 U-shaped brackets and install them at the foot end of the adjustable base. Make sure to use the small Allen head bolts to install these brackets. Please orient these brackets so that the angle side is facing the foot end of the base as shown. Use the Allen wrench provided to hand tighten the Allen head bolts. You will want to wait until the assembly is complete before tightening all the Allen head bolts. Using 2 people, lift the elevation kit, place it on top of the adjustable base so the motor is located at the head section of the adjustable base. Try and line up the holes so that the brackets on the elevation kit line up with the screw holes on the base. Go back to the hardware bag and locate 2 connector pins with fold-over fastener hooks. Insert the connector pins with the fold-over fastener hooks into the angle brackets and through the elevation kit, so the elevation kit is connected to the angle brackets. Once installed, fold over the fastener hooks so it locks into place. Move to the middle of the adjustable base and elevation kit, again using the small Allen head bolts. Install one on each side of the base, but do not fully tighten. Staying at the middle, you will now want to install the longest Allen head bolt through the elevation kit and thread into the adjustable base as shown. It is very important to install this Allen head bolt. Not doing so will cause your base and elevation kit to sag in the middle. Now move to the head section of the adjustable base and elevation kit and install the medium-size Allen head bolts. Once all screws are installed, you can now fully tighten them all. It's time to connect the motor from the elevation kit to the control box on the adjustable base. Locate the wire from the elevation motor and route it into the control box located in the center of the adjustable base. The elevation motor has yellow tape at the plug end, and you will locate the yellow port on the control box that is labeled tilt. Plug the elevation motor cable into this port on the control box. Now it's time to install the legs. We suggest you remove 1 or 2 sections of the legs, or the base might be too tall. When installing any leg section, make sure to install the rounded leg cap section from the bottom of the legs that protect the floor. Please check that there's no leftover hardware. If you have any connector pins or bolts left over, please replay this video so you can find where to install them. In the hardware bag, there are 2 black semicircle safety guards. These should be installed on the elevation frame on both sides where the yellow warning stickers are located. Please peel off the self-adhesive tape and apply to the elevation frame as shown. The semicircle will be installed facing the floor, as your base should be still on the floor at this time. With the help of another person, you may now turn your base over and plug it into the outlet for use. To check your assembly and function, please push the Elevate Up button on your remote and allow a few seconds for your elevation kit to respond. Thank you for watching the installation instructions for the ESELV Elevation Kit. If you'd like to learn more about our products, please visit us at symphonysleep.com.